So I just started up my hybrid assistant to check the voltage, and it's 12.7. My old battery was giving me 12.2. So I knew it was about time to change the battery. I think it should last maybe a year or so more, but I don't want to take a chance because in the winter you can get stuck somewhere, and yeah, you don't want that to happen. Just making a quick video of my 2017 RAV4 hybrid, and only has like 39,000 miles. I had the 12-volt battery change from the dealer, and driving back from the dealer maybe about 5-6 miles, it's I'm getting 41.8 miles per gallon. So I'm kind of expecting a slight increase in the mileage because of the change in the battery. Allows to change the battery, actually 380, and I got a discount, $25 coupon, and had an oil change, rotating the tires, and came to $498.35. So the dealer gave me a whole list of things that I have to take care of, like changing the coolant, the transmission oil, the rotor is a bit rusty, so on and on. Probably cost me a couple of $1,000 just to have all those things taken care of. It's a 2017, very low mileage, but I'm thinking of trading it in for another car or not. I think this can run for a long time, being a hybrid, and the engine doesn't really work that hard, and the battery should last. My Sunso Prius was well over 100,000 miles, 13 years, and the battery was still good. So unless something different happens, the battery should not be a problem. And of the 6.5 years I have driven this car, the only thing that gave me a problem was the blower motor, which they changed. It stopped working like within 6 months. The dealer actually said there was nothing, they couldn't find anything wrong. They disconnected to the blower motor and reconnected it, and it worked. But just to avoid a situation, they changed the blower motor for me. And aside from that, I don't have really any issue with the car. I've never taken the car in for anything other than oil change. And the only thing irritating is this airbag here. This area here has a rattle, especially in the winter, and then everything is stiff. There's a little bit of a rattle here, but overall the car has given me very good gas mileage, no complaints whatsoever. The other thing that is of a issue is maybe these tail lights here in the back. You see here, there's a sort of a discoloration. I think this is from the sun, the UV rays. So the headlights on the car is still very clear, transparent, and the overall condition of the car is still very good. Yeah, so if anyone is thinking of getting a hybrid, I recommend it. My next car, I'll probably be getting a hybrid, except maybe I'm thinking of a Sienna. So yeah, the moonroof is or sunroof is completely useless to me. I'd rather not to have to pay for one, but since it came with the car, so I can't do anything with that. I did have to change out the tires at about 6 years into. So these are Michelins, and I spent a little over $800 at Costco. Other than that, the car's been running great. Like I said, in the winter, anywhere from 32 to 38 miles a gallon. In the summer, the highest I can get is like 40 something miles a gallon, which is pretty good. If you were to ask me what is the single best thing about the RAV4, is the trunk. Very big for a small car, and it's low to the ground, so it's easy to put stuff in. Very utilitarian. So if you want reliability, buy a Toyota. Never got stranded anywhere with this car. All right, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.